An easy and flavorsome recipe for your dinner. In a bowl, add 750 grams of beef mince, 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 grated onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, and mix well. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following and sharing our recipes. We'd love to know. After mixing, set the beef aside. In another bowl, add 200 grams of grated cheese, 1 chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, and mix well. On a plate, put a big chunk of plastic film and spread the beef mince on it using your hands. You guys, this recipe is easy and a different way for you to have lunch or dinner. It tastes incredible. It's totally worth it. Spread the beef mince and then add the cheese mixture. This will be our filling. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love rolls." Finally, close the ends so the filling won't leak. Put it in the fridge for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the plastic film. Grease a baking pan with oil and put the roll inside. Oil the top. Then put it in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. I hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.